Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking your stance and grips before the clinch hits. Lower your center of gravity and take a small step back to widen your base so you resist entries. Control wrists and the near collar to stop hand fighting. This disrupts their setup and timing. Tuck your chin and use your forehead as a frame against their chest to prevent underhooks. Once done, keep active hands probing. That initial control forces opponents to reset and gives you options to sprawl or circle out. You must sprawl with intent. Explode your hips down while posting with your hands and driving weight into their back. Do not only lean. Keep legs active, push their hips away with your shins and drive elbows inward to collapse their squeeze. Simultaneously pummel for underhooks. Secure even one underhook to neutralize their lift and to start turning the heel. Once you have control, circle off the attack to break grips and reset distance, because angles make single leg and double leg entries far less effective. You finish by converting the defensive position into secure top control. Drive your hips heavy, get chest-to-chest pressure, and flatten them to prevent recovery. Once flattened, transition to a dominant position or disengage and reset striking range to make them pay for shooting again. If you find yourself stuck under scrambles, tie both arms and work a strong base to stand. Bait the next shot by feinting strikes. Make sure to vary responses, sprawl underhook, or stand, so opponents can't predict and force repeated success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.